For the orange chicken recipe, start by trimming 2 large chicken breasts into roughly 1-inch cubes. We are going to deep fry these cubes. So, to get them nice and crispy before we add the orange sauce, we will blend them into a flour cornstarch mix with 1 egg white. Make sure each cube is well covered.
While the chicken cubes are frying, make the sauce base for the wok by squeezing the juice from 2 or 3 large oranges and then adding about 1 tablespoon each of sugar, soy, rice vinegar, honey, ginger garlic paste, and some orange zest. Stir well but do not heat yet.
This popular Chinese takeout is such an easy low-cost recipe to make at home and will keep the kids coming back for more. It can be paired with bread, rice, or pasta. Just pour the orange sauce mixture into a wok, heat it to boiling point, and then add the crispy fried chicken cubes. Keep stirring on high heat until the sauce is fully incorporated into the chicken and you are ready to serve. And what a great snack for your Super Bowl party.
Now let's finish up with the orange duck, or also known as duck alone. We are going to use a fatty skin on duck breast. You will want to start low and slow to render the fat from the skin and successively increase the heat so we can get a nice crispy skin. Don't be in a hurry here.
While we wait for the duck, let's make the beautiful orange sauce for this famous dish. Start with a basic sugar and water mixture, roughly 1:1, and reduce. To this base, we will add a tablespoon or 2 of red wine vinegar and the juice from 2 large blood oranges. Reduce until the sauce begins to thicken. Add more sugar to taste.
Once you render a nice crispy skin, it is common to finish the duck in an oven until you have the correct temperature, which is just slightly less than chicken, around 150 degrees. And when the delightful orange sauce is syrupy, you are ready to serve with a choice of sides. Duck à l'orange is another recipe that is so simple yet spectacularly tasty.
Well, there you have it, folks. Another double recipe feature from Lass's Kitchen to simplify your cooking while giving you really amazing taste experiences. Please remember to subscribe, ring the bell, and like our channel if you enjoy our content. Cheers and see you again real soon. Bye now.